Nung November 9, we celebrated the feast of the dedication of our mother church in the world. No? That's the feast of St. John Lateran. No? Yun yung kapistahan ng ating, yung pinakaunang simbahan sa ating mga Katoliko, yun ang pinakaunang simbahan. Tapos yung St. Peter na Basilica, di ba? Pero nauna si St. John in Lateran. No? So yun yung una. That is for the whole Catholic Church. In the Philippines, we have our mother church also, no? Na ang pinakauna. At yun yung Manila Cathedral. And today, we celebrate the dedication of our mother church in the Philippines as we thank God for this cathedral in honor of the Immaculate Conception. Yung piyesta niya, sinelebrate natin kahapon kasi inurong mula sa December 8, kaya December 9. So we thank God for this mother church. We thank God for the church. No? We thank God for this mother. This is our mother. No? Alam naman natin Kaya nga yung gandang-ganda na ating responsorial psalm, how lovely is your dwelling place. No? So let us appreciate every single stone. No? Kasi parang nandiyan itong simbahan na ito, yung mother church natin. You know how central the church is in our lives. We all gather, we thank God for this living stone, itong templong ito, kung saan tayo nagdadasal at nagpapasalamat, nag-aalay sa Panginoon. How lovely is your dwelling place on earth. May we truly appreciate this. No? And as the living stone, bawat isa sa atin, hindi lang naman ang simbahan ng batong simbahan, kundi ang bawat tao, no? Ang buhay na templo na nasa tayo, bawat isa sa atin. How the good Lord appreciates all this. How the good Lord will say, how lovely is your dwelling place, how lovely is your dwelling place, because God dwells in it, God dwells in this place, God dwells in our hearts too. No? So He is dwelling in us. At pinapaalala sa Ebanghelyo natin, let us not make this place a marketplace. Respetuhin natin yung lugar na ito, alagaan natin, wag natin babuyin, no? Yung batong ito at yung templo ng buhay na bato ng Diyos sa bawat isa sa atin. Wag natin baliwalain, alagaan natin itong panahon ng Adbyento, ito yung paanyaya, alagaan natin yung mga patong ito at i-dedicate natin, rededicate, no, sa karawaan ng simbahan natin sa Pilipinas, the Manila Cathedral in honor of the Immaculate Conception. Let us continue to rededicate our lives to, no? The constant rededication, inaalay natin. Hindi naman talaga tayo may-ari, tayo'y pinapaubaya lang pangsamantala at inaalay muli natin sa Panginoon. May it be strengthened, mapatibay, at magpasalamat tayo sa dakilang araw na ito. Salamat sa Diyos.